Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and giveaways. I do have a giveaway that's live now and I will put that in the description box down below. I hope that you guys are all having a great day. Let me know how your day is going in the comments. Today we are going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box. The Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month, and there's usually between $50 and $90 worth of product in there. I did really like a couple things in the last month's box. One thing that I do want to let you guys know is last month my box got here really late. And so this one, you know, it's the middle of May and it got here. So I am excited for that. So let's dive into this box. Comes like this. There are a couple things here on the outside. There is a $60 gift card to HelloFresh. Have you guys used HelloFresh? I've thought about it, but haven't quite done that yet. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys use it, if you like it, what you think about it. There's also a card here, talks a little bit about the products on the inside. And then it has this cute little plastic bag. They've changed their design. In past months, it did have snaps here. Last month, my bag was ripped here, so it was unusable. This bag seems just fine, and it closes by, there's a little, it's kind of tell this tone on tone, but there's a little flap here, and you could just stick the main flap underneath. So the first product that I have here is the Allure by John Seal. It is a powder, I mean it's total powder. And what this is, it's step 1 of their solution set. It's called Erase and Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. It's made with non-fat milk powder, finely milled whole grain oats, and a touch of magnesium carbonate. This perfectly pH balanced gamage clears complexion, balanced skin, and leaves in radiance and smooth. Net weight is 2 ounces. This is a full-size product, retails for $15. And the directions are to mix a tablespoon with Erase with half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply to face and let dry for 1 minute. While still damp, gently massage away paste. Should come off like an eraser peels. Taking blackheads out, softening complexion, and reducing the appearance of large pores. Add a drop of water to continue erasing if paste dries. Use twice a week or as needed. Can be used separately within any skincare regime. Maybe it's just me, but it does look like it's only partially filled. I mean, it only comes to here. I don't know if it's supposed to go all the way up or not. If you guys know, let me know. This is kind of interesting. I've never tried anything like this that is just a dry powder that you mix up. Let me know if you guys have used this or not. Ooh la la, guys. This is the Amorepacific Youth Revolution and Radiance Cream and Moisturizer. You could have gotten 4 different variations. You could have gotten this one, the Amorepacific Treatment Cleansing Foam, the Amorepacific Moisture Bond Cream, or the Amorepacific Vintage Single Extract Essence. We did receive this in exact same size and everything else in the in the test tube, the new beauty test tube box, and I absolutely love it. I am doing a review of this, and you'll see that in an upcoming masking video. I do a masking video series where I review and try on different face masks. This one, guys, full size of this. Now, granted, this is only 0.2 of an ounce, but the full size of this retails for $200 for a face cream. And yes, it's really good. I'd love to say, nah, not so great. It's really good. It makes my skin feel so smooth. So what this does is it protects the skin from external environment, provides youthful radiance by providing mature and nourishment to the skin. The precious white peony ingredients is obtained by slowly infusing the white peony at 60 degrees for 24 hours and purifying the exact extract 5 times. The slow extraction method extracts white peony's various core effective substance at an optimal temperatures instead of applying extreme heat in order to protect the active substances. Green tea polysaccharide, which was discovered based on research of green tea and heritage, is a highly concentrated ingredient obtained via extracting the polysaccharide component from various components of green tea leaves. It makes the skin look clean and protect the skin from the external environment. It is a dual function product that can be used as a cream during the daytime or as a leave-on mask when applying it more amount in the night to provide intensive care to skin. It takes care of 3 kinds of aging dust that makes the skin look dull as it accumulates on the skin, so it helps protect against that. Aging dust refers to 3 kinds of aging signs: skin glycerin that makes the skin look dull, and rough oxidant substance that lowers skin firmness, and uneven skin tones caused by pigmentation. Guys, I really love this. So it's kind of got different. So this, you think it's like this, but no, this whole thing here is the lid. And then it just kind of looks like that on the inside. And it is so beyond butterly soft. Love this. Here is the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. It's an ultra-rich moisturizing cream that helps smooth and deliver moisture relief to dry, parched skin. Retails for $35. It relieves dry, parched skin with intense cream, featuring a creamy, buttery formula that melts onto skin when applied to soothe dry skin. Infused with hydroionized mineral water, the Enhanced Complex helps to deeply hydrate. Its second barrier complex, composed of 14 different elements, including ceramides and cholesterol, provide a protective layer that seals in moisturizer. Skin is left feeling soothed and protected from drying elements. After you basically use it after serum, water, warm the cream between your hands and gently spread from the centers of your face outward. And this one is only 8 milliliters and 0.2 of a fluid ounce. Here's a product I've never heard of. It is the Tropez Self-Tan Purifying Bronzing Water Face Mist. Full size of this retails for $30. Full size is 2.7 ounces. And this doesn't say how big this is. But achieve a natural looking golden tan that lasts for days in just one application with Tropez tropically scented, hydrating, and weightless self-tan purifying bronzing water face mist. The ultra lightweight transparent mist is infused with 100% natural tanning agents as well as hibiscus extract. It is an antioxidant properties and uplifting fresh green mandarin water for new, refreshing, and uplifting tropical fragrance. And no telltale self-tan smell. Well, that's good. Simply spritz under over makeup. How do you spritz this over makeup and it works? With no need to rinse off, or wearable tan that subtly develops over 48 hours into a natural streak-free golden tan that will last for days. Apply evenly over the neck and décolletage for a flawless glow, spritz, and glow. I don't know, I guess I would be afraid that I would get like little dots, almost like freckles, because unless it does it really seamlessly. So I will have to give this one a try and let you guys know what I think. Here's a full-size product by Laritzy Cosmetics. It is their lip gloss in the color Vibe. This retails for $16. It's formulated to give you an effortless high gloss editorial look. We took out the stickiness and the glue-like feeling and created the ideal gloss. Unlike other glosses, our gloss is designed for ultimate comfort, so we packed each swipe with a mega dose of unreal hydration. Keep on shining. So the Vibe is a sheer brown with a peachy undertone. Looks like this. It's got kind of an angled doe foot. Looks like that when swatched on the hand. And then let's just put a little bit of this on here. Kind of looks like this. Granted, it's over the darker lipstick that I already have on, but I do really think it's pretty. By Model Co. It is the Eyelites Metallic Eyeshadow in the color Saint Barts. It's take your shadow game with an up a notch with the Model Co. Eyelites. It's a liquid metallic eyeshadow developed to saturate lids with an unparalleled sparkly glow. This shadow delivers color in a single swipe and dries almost instantly to lock in its weightless shine. I do like that hopefully it does dry instantly, because I hate putting eyeshadow on, then you blink, and then next thing you know you got eyeshadow going on up here on the creams. So here is what this one looks like. Ooh, that's really pretty. So I kind of put this on as like a topper. I will say, because it dries instantly, do one eye, kind of tap it, and I just kind of put it in the center there, and then do the other eye and then tap, because otherwise it's gonna dry and you're not gonna be able to kind of shear it out if that's what you want or not. And here's what it looks like on the hand. Remember, this is that lip gloss, this is the eyeshadow. And yeah, guys, it is completely dry. And it's so pretty. I think my two favorite things are the Eyelites and then also the Amorepacific moisture cream, because I absolutely love, love, love this. And I would say my least favorite is just because I've never tried anything like this powder before. And so, but you never know until you try something, never know. What were you guys' favorites? How's your day going? Let me know all that in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me when you like a video, and hit that subscription bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.